things like coffee, something strong,
Yeah,
like
these are
yuck.
okay.
Did you say yuck on coffee?
Coffee is amazing. I love coffee,
I love
but
coffee
only
too.
Americano, not cappuccino, Latino. Just only Americano with the very bitter one. Not
Yeah.
I love the bitter one.
Wow. It's still nice because there's no sugar in Americano. What the heck?
No sugar.
Oh my goodness. Some people are like struggling. There needs it needs to be with discipline, if they want to have their ideal goal for their body. But for you, it's like easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's
But I
nice.
still have the goal to gain weight.
To gain weight, yeah. I
Yeah,
will
super hot.
I will give you a suggestion if you want to gain weight. Maybe you can try, because you don't like eating a lot. Maybe you can try healthy supplements. Okay? So for
Oh,
working out,
I eat that
yeah,
one.
for
Healthy supplement.
really, even like protein powder or something.
Yeah, I eat that one. But not protein
Nice.
powder a lot. But supplements, yes. Different kinds of
Supplements.
vitamin or yeah, others. So I do eat.
Mm-hmm.
But
Great,
also,
great.
it's hard for me to eat rice and noodles. Yeah, I mean, I don't like that much.
Oh my
Although I'm
gosh.
Chinese, sorry. Um,
Wow.
I don't like that much. I prefer to eat vegetables and meat.
Mm.
Yeah.
Nakakainis.
Bakit?
I love food. Grace, so nakakainis means like, it's so irritatingly like good, and I'm irritatingly amazed by you. Because I love food, I have this love-hate relationship with food because I love it, and I work out so I don't have to feel guilty about, the
But I
things that
think,
I want to eat.
but I think it's about the balance din po ate.
Yeah, the balance.
Pero hindi ko
By the way,
kayo.
hi Maki, welcome as well on the stage.
Hi, Maki. Hi,
Oh, hi.
Ate.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
I want to speak more, but
Yes, you can speak more, of course.
I'm a beginner
You're a beginner.
and
Oh,
Don't worry. We can practice speaking, we can practice listening, we
that
can
is fine,
practice
Maki.
thank
conversation.
you.
But Maki, we're talking about X's. Is it okay? Is it okay for you? Is it a beginner level? Is talking about X's a beginner friendly conversation? I don't know. But yeah. It's nice because Grace is focusing on improving herself rather than, focusing on the X. Like, oh, this person's problem is this. But you're focusing on, um,
She is focusing on self-improvements.
Yeah.
Sana
yes.
The most tough thing is we're still meet each other every day. I mean, so far because I haven't leave. But after, yeah, so after this week I will leave. I need time to pack. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, take your time, Grace.
Wow. I wish you the best in your future plans and your career.
Looking forward for you, Grace.